In Bloom by Nirvana, this is from Nevermind, and it starts on a B flat power chord, but you want to make sure you can have a clean sound and then some way to get the heaviest overdrive you can. That's my heavy overdrive sound, just using my Victory amp turned all the way up with a little bit of a boost from the Schaefer replicator as well. The mid is scooped all the way to try and make it sound heavier, but either way, you need some way to get from this sound to something that's much, much cleaner at the click of a button. Overdrive pedal or a channel switching amp. The chords for the intro riff are B flat at the first fret, remember we're in standard tuning, to a G, what we call a G5 as a G power chord, F5 at the first fret, and then A flat as our final chord at the fourth fret, briefly to 0 or 5 on string 6. Clean, that sounds like. Strumming for that is down, up, down. We lift off, because we need a moment to change. It's literally 0 frets. Down, up, down, lift, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Same for the next two chords. Down, up, down, lift, 4th fret, up, down, 0, 4, 5, still with that same picking motion. You can of course play all those power chords with the 3rd finger flatter, which we'll do a little bit later, where there's a little bit more of the major sound. Up to you whether you play 1st, 3rd and little finger or flatten this off. But the intro is definitely power chords rather than major chords. Don't let that major 3rd creep in there. There's the clean sound. Now let's go heavy and just demo that strumming pattern with just a little less gain than I did before, so you can hear every strum. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Up, down, up, down, up, down. It's a mute there, and then we're on to the second part, which sounds like this. That is a B flat chord. However you play it, you can have it a bit more major in the verses. This is an F sharp power chord, sliding up to 6th fret root note, A major shape bar chord, but this is an E flat chord. Using that A major shape, just slid all the way up. 2nd fret, which is a B, 1st fret, which is the A. And it is just then to the E flat, and we slide. To the 2nd fret, it's down, up, A, up, down, up. Heavy but slow and a little bit cleaner than I would, so you can hear all the strums. 3, 4. Down, up, down, open, down, up, down, slide, down, up, down, full thing. That's the Schaefer replica that I just added there. That's the AC/DC pedal, but that is... Ooh, that is transforming this plexi amp into like something much, much heavier. What we got next is the verse when we drop out and then we play the same riff as before, a little bit more major sounding. So flatten off that third finger a little bit. And there's a chorus pedal, which is the classic Boss chorus pedal that Nirvana use so often. Let me just demo that again real quick because it's so important. This, when we hit the overdrive pedal, we're on the clean. Join in with me if you want to practice. We're on a clean set in 3, 4. 1, 2, hit it, 3, 4. And then we're into the chorus. The chorus is that same B flat 5 to G from the intro. That happens 4 times, final time. Then it's C as a major, so like this or like this. We do want this major third ringing out. That's a 3rd fret A-shaped bar chord, slide it up to 6th fret. That happens again, one last time. So we have B flat to G, 2nd time, 3rd time, 4th time, and then and that strumming pattern is down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Really slow, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. With overdrive. Two more times. Final time. It's a C. Down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That happens again, and then we'd go back to the intro after that C to E flats. This is like the intro as an interlude. Let's go through all of those sections again so we can go from one to the other. A little bit slower than the track is BPM, but it's 76 or so BPM is something to build up to if you do want to use a click track or just slow down the video a little bit and play along to the original. Let's jam this, join in with me. Ready from the B flat 5 chord, from the intro, high gain channel. We don't need to change to the clean until we have a pause, so we can just focus on this high gain riffage. Ready, 1, 2, 3, 4. Three, 4. There's then a dropout, and we're going to come back into that riff, just played clean with chorus, in 1, 2, 3, 4. This just happens twice. Ready to go heavy. All of that again. Da-dum-dum. That's how to play in Bloom. Check out my website, andyguitar.co.uk/videos to see all of my Nirvana videos all in one place. We'll leave a link at the top of the description. I hope to see you over there. Bye bye for now, and I'll see you next time.